Look at them. Good puppies. Good job. Good job, Shafti. Such a beautiful mama. She's the perfect mama. We have 6 nursing puppies and a pile of sleeping puppies. Very good. How's mama doing? We've got 10 beautiful puppies. Yeah. They're just gorgeous. She's doing good. She's licking the little booties. She's doing everything a good mama's supposed to do.
Oh, look, that was pretty good. She got on.
Yeah. Look at those little babies. Sleeping. Look at these little sleeping
The arm over there.
Get the little paws in there.
Yeah. You got the one leg up.
Good job, mama. We're so excited. It's really nice and warm in here, isn't it, Shakti? We have our room at a very nice 85 degrees, and we can feel it. A little butt puppy. Always a puppy sleeping on mommy's booty. Look at that thing. Good job, Shakti. You're such a good mama. Well, this is day 1.
Day 2.
Well, they're 24 hours old pretty much. But you're right, yes, day 2. They lived a whole day. Mommy has 10 very healthy puppies. We're so proud of her. Shakti was the best mama. Look at these beautiful puppies. We have 3 that look like daddy, solid black but with tan paws, and then the rest are solid black, double recessive gene, German Shepherd puppies. All right, Shakti, say goodbye to the camera, baby. Love you. I know. Mommy's gonna make you a really yummy dinner here in a minute. Hey, there's Daddy. Hey, say hi, Daddy. Serious.